Harry Potter Quidditch Champions official cinematic trailer is out. The moment has come to re-explore the wizarding world of Harry Potter with the Harry Potter Quidditch Champions, the upcoming multiplayer video game sequel to Wizarding World of Harry Potter. The game is set to expand the wizarding world of Harry Potter, allowing players to expose themselves to a career as an infamous Quidditch player. Wizarding World of Harry Potter's publisher Warner Bros. Games mounted the enthusiasm around the Harry Potter Quidditch Champions by revealing the latest trailer, letting fans feast their eyes with the charming visuals and an appealing portrayal of its story narratives. Revealed at the Back to Hogwarts 2024 showcase, the trailer also entailed exposed renowned Harry Potter characters such as Draco Malfoy and Harry himself. Harry Potter Quidditch Champions, the impending addition to the wizarding world of Harry Potter, will let players wander into iconic locations while allowing them to indulge in Quidditch matches anywhere in the wondrous world. The most beckoning aspect of the game is that players will be in the lead of their own careers, grabbing the batons of supremacies in the midst of the names of legends. Another noteworthy part of the features is that players will be able to play for or against the legendary Harry Potter as they please. Harry Potter Quidditch Champions will be released on September 3rd, 2024 for various platforms, including PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, and PC.